welcome back! Yee! We are on our way to Gorinchem, yes, of all places. That's the place where my car is at this moment. I am going to deliver some parts they need. Hopefully I can go in and film a little bit around my car or make some pictures, and if there are some pictures then I have to improvise, but that's okay. But at least we're going there, and hopefully they've done something with the car. I can't imagine standing it there, having it there, have it standing there, okay, for about 2 or 3 months almost, and nothing happened. That would be quite frustrating, but okay. I know it's a consequence of the time we are living in. Also, there is a possibility they will not, if I cannot go see my car. That would be very sad, but I don't think that will happen. So, well, wish me luck and enjoy the show again. Here he is. Yes. They started with the doors. Doors are moved. It's going to be, how do you call it, adjusted, refitted. So all the lines will be perfect when the car is finished. All the spare parts I just delivered are in the back, so we're going to keep them there. And well, I'll just make a video roundup of the car. Not much is done at this point, but the guy working on it just explained me how he's going to do it, and well, it looks perfect. And I wish I could show you more, but next video I promise you will see the results of the work. So let's switch the side. Yes, and walk around the car. Oh, if you look, here's the door. They're just preparing it and working on the parts where we failed to do what we needed to do. So, well, finally, and hope that in a few weeks we can see our baby back with a new color on it. We used to have it all. 1 second, guys, 1 second. I'm still thinking about what I'm going to say to you. Well, as you can see, I've just been to my Ferrari. And man, it feels good to see my baby. But damn, it takes a lot of patience. But I see that the guys that are working there on the car are very enthusiasm. Well, they really care about what they're doing, so that's a good thing. And I know that working on a car like this takes time. You have to first get to know the car, then get to know the parts on the car, and finally you see that there is it will speed up. And I think at this point that they just started with the doors and the body parts hanging. You cannot see the progress as the progress I sometimes made. For example, the moment we took the paint off, that's a big leap. But after that, it was very slowly, and the same thing is happening here, I think. But I'm happy to see her. I just explained about the knowledge I have, and the guys know how they can reach me when they have the question about the car. So I'm very happy and very good to get to know the guys working on my car. So well, a fantastic place. I think next vlog, against the end of the vlog, I will show you a little bit more about that company, because I think it's a good place to leave your car at. But for now, I want to thank you for watching, because yes, I know it's a little bit of a short video, but well, it's just patience. Did I pronounce that? Who cares? So please like, subscribe, spread the word. You know the drill. But support me on this journey. And well, I hope if you have a project car for yourself, please share them. I would love to, do more about that, with that. And I want to know more about what is going on in the community surrounding the car world, the way that we have it here. I'm just blabbering, you know that, I know that, but I just well, thank you, have a good week, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.